Okay, so hi, how are you? So here is the second project setup. So almost same, but the main change is here is 8 MOSFET instead of 4. The which was the previous project. So here you can see this is my power supply, and here I have added a new things for you. That is yeah, I have added a diode, bridge diode, so that when you will give this give here the plus and minus. If you give the reverse polarity, so the board will not damage, and the board will automatically detect this 12 volt. Okay, so uh, here is I have connected just one load at a time, because you have selected this load when you have purchased this for the previous project actually. And here look, this is the input pin for this joystick, and now I have connected them is like that, and I have taken the positive 5 volt from this. I mean, when you will press this, then the positive 5 will in to this MOSFET gate, to this optocoupler, and after this it will shift it to this MCU. After that the MCU will out the corresponding out which is mentioned in your PDF datasheet. So now I am giving power to this. So this is my main AC line. This AC line is come to here, and now this is the AC line. Okay, so this is now powering up. Okay, so this is the board. So after the power, this LED will blink 50 millisecond per beep. Now when you will press, I mean, the joystick, then the LED will off, and the board will operation. The board will do the main operation. So if I see that look like this, this is I press down. Look, 1, 2, and 8 and 5 is power up. Now if I release it, now they are also released at a time. If I press up, 6, 7, 4 and 3 are powered up here. Okay, if I release it, then they are both released. Now if I turn it to left, right, for right it is 1, 3, 8 and 6. Now if I release it, now they are released. Okay, now for the left section, if I press the left, okay, for left we can see it is 2, 4, 7 and 5. Okay, okay, for now for yours the second logic. Look, I have shown you this logic from this page. Now from this logic, which is double logic actually, I mean, while front and right is input high, after that the front right down, and the rear left up, until the front or right is low. Okay, now so this is actually I was confused that how I can do it, because I have already questioned you about it, but you haven't answered yet. So actually after that I think that if I press it like that, so these two switch will be pressed together. Look, like that. Okay, so in this case, here only two load is released. Look, power up 1 and 2. Oh, sorry, so the previous logic is implemented here. If I release it and if I press again, look, only two load, 3 and 6. And how I set up this, I set up is this angular. Okay, this angular type. Also if I move it, look. Okay, so 2 button is pressed at a time. Now if I pressed, they are released. If I press like this, no, this is full load. Wait, no full load. Now to load. No, now full load. Okay, actually I have to set up here. That is because it is difficult to press the 2 button at the same time, and that's why I have asked you how you can do it. Okay, if I press this 2, no, full load is open one at a time. Okay, so look here. Okay, here look, if I press the 2 button together, 2 button together. Now if I see that, look, 3 and 6 is power up. So if I catch it perfectly, then it will work. Now if similarly if I use it for this load, okay, just have a look it, and I will give you a second video where I will clear everything. Okay, for the double load, I mean for the double input. Okay, so and this is the second board, so please let me know what about it. And however, I have some work because the diode line is breaking. Actually there is a problem for the diode, actually for this load, and that's why I will separate this line. And I have some work in the PCB side. Look, and this line I need to recover actually, but we can actually we can use as it is. But this diode I have used here is 5 ampere, but I don't know actually the load you will be used here. So so if the load is below 5 ampere, then we can keep the PCB as it is. But actually but I think if I can just reroute, this is a small work, so the PCB will be great. So this is 90% done. So thank you.